Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to do a makeup look for you guys, but before we jump into the makeup, I want to share with you some things that I was sent from Savane de la Court, Paris. They sent me a few perfumes to try, and they also sent me a candle, and everything smells amazing. They send you a sample pack and you pick out the scent that you like the best, and then you tell them which scent you like the best, and then they send you a full-size bottle. So they sent me a full-size bottle of my favorite out of the 5 scents. They also sent me a travel sizes as well. But let me go ahead and tell you guys about the company. All of the scents smell heavenly, you guys. They smell really good. My favorite was the Divana scent right here. Now this was my favorite perfume out of all 5 of them. They smell gorgeous. I'm not going to say all of the names, but I will put a list of them on the screen so you guys can check them out, because I probably would butcher them. When you open it up, you get a 3.3 ounce bottle. Isn't this bottle beautiful? Fragrance, the packaging for this, everything is very nice, you guys. It's not cheaply made. Even the tin that it's in is very nice. It has some weight to it, so I really like that. I really like quality. The bottle is very pretty. Open up the tin, you'll see that they have a sheet, which is really cute, and it has a lady's face on there, and it's called Divana perfume right there. So I thought that was a nice bonus touch. So the one I have is a nice floral scent. It smells so good, you guys. Every time that I wear this fragrance, I get stopped because somebody is always asking me, what am I wearing? And I let people know not a lot of people heard about this company. So I like that you cannot find it everywhere. So I do like some stuff that you have to get exclusively from websites or the internet. They can't just go to the store and get it. So that's really cool about this product. They also sent me an elegant travel spray, and this has 4 refills of my choice. So I got to pick out the other ones that I did not get because I love all of the fragrances. The travel spray is very nice. It is really made of something. You can just tell, like, it's heavy, it's nice, it clamps back into place. Like, you hear that click? Take out the perfume that you're not using, and it does have the name of it. This one is the Lily Lang, and this nice velvet bag they sent you for, so you can switch them out. So I just switch them out like this. You just put it in here, and that's it, and it stays in there. You don't have to worry about it coming out, and it's really sturdy. It's made really nicely, you guys. So now, last but certainly not least, now this is the Equinox de Printemps, and I am hoping I'm saying that right. Oh my gosh, you guys, the packaging for this is really pretty as well. I like it. It's very floral, very girly. This is 8.81 fluid ounces. Once you take it out, the candle looks like this. Oh my gosh, is this not beautiful? Like, this candle is so nice, and it's seriously, like, it's really heavy too. So you open it up, and I love the fact that it comes with a lid. It's a white candle. Oh my god, my husband loves this candle so much. I let him smell it. I haven't even lit it yet. When he smelled it and asked him what did he think about it, he loved this candle. He could not stop talking about this candle, and it really does smell that good. It's unisex. It's very fresh. I cannot wait to use it. I've been saving it up for me to go ahead and do this review so I can show you guys, because I didn't want to show you guys the half-used candle, but this candle smells so good. Let me tell you guys how fast the shipping was. After I picked out the fragrance that I like, I received my package in less than a week. And this came all the way from Paris, so I was like super stoked that it came that fast. So that was great. So hands down, all of these fragrances are very pretty. They smell very fresh. You get compliments all day on them. The candle smells amazing, and I absolutely love the travel size. So when we go for our little weekend trips or our overnight trips, I don't have to worry about perfume. I can just take my little perfume right here, and even throughout the day, when I'm at work, I can refresh. So I do want you to check out Sylvain Delacourt. All of the links will be in the description bar, so be sure to check them out. So that's it for that. I was also sent the Born to Run, which my eyeshadow look today is on this palette. I keep wanting to say On the Run because that Beyonce concert is like out, and that's all I've been hearing is On the Run. But no, it is Born to Run palette. They did send me the palette, and I did this eyeshadow look using this palette. This is what they sent. I was so shocked when I got this because I totally wasn't expecting it. So once again, thank you to Babilon Kay for sending this out to me. All of the pigments that I use in this eyeshadow look today are super pigmented. There is very little fallout. Like, I was really dipping in the palette and there was very little fallout. Palette itself is beautiful. I love all the places and on the back of it. I just think this is really different for Babilon Kay. This is like really different from what they normally do. So I really like the aesthetics with the palette. It's very pretty palette. And then when you open up the actual palette, this is it, and its colors are so pretty and they mesh together well with every single eyeshadow. It's not just a shadow here that doesn't match this one. These all kind of like work hand in hand, so I really like that about the palette. Now the colors that I use today are going to be Weekender, I use some Riff, I use Baja, Hellride, Wild Heart, Punk, Breakaway, Wanderlust, and Big Sky. And I also use some Ignite. So I used a lot of it. As you can see, I did not wipe the palette down. Just from picking this up, I'm not the neatest person, but from picking up this eyeshadow palette, you can tell like there's hardly any fallout on the palette itself, so that's really good. It's nice that it's heavy. You get a full mirror and it says Babilon Kay Born to Run. And I was so happy when I got this palette, and I got it today. I was super stoked when I got it because just last night I was looking at this exact palette, but when I woke up today I got the palette, so I was super excited about that. They also sent their all-nighter Babilon Kay and Scandinavia, and this is their makeup setting spray, which you guys know I love their setting sprays. They are awesome. They also sent me 3 glide on eye pencils. They sent Overdrive, Double Life, and also Lucky. 3 lipsticks, which I thought was really cool because they have the colors right there. So the colors are, I want to say that's Marfa, Ready, question mark, and oh, this one says 66. That's the name. 66. So this is it, you guys. Love this palette. If you guys want to see this makeup look, please stay tuned. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks for supporting me. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Give me a like, share my videos, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye.